Well, Sudhir Ranjan Sen also sent us this report just a little while earlier on the massive effort that the armed forces are carrying out. It really is an incredible effort by the army, by the air force. Now you have marine commandos that are also on the ground. There are the NDRF rescue teams, the local administration. It really is an incredible effort by all the agencies that are involved.
Time is their only enemy. As the Mi-17 helicopter gets loaded again, pilots study ridge features, wind speed and most importantly, weather updates passed on to them over the radio. Even one sortie more means another few tons of food and supplies to those stranded.
Poonch and Rajouri had been cut off totally for almost 2 days. So while on ground, the civil administration managed to get up to short of Rajouri, but ahead of that is totally cut off from the roadside.
Sortie after sortie has been flying out of this base in Jammu since morning.
Hundreds and hundreds of villages in the Rajouri area are cut off from mainland. The water may have receded out from here, but still people are stranded. It is landslides that have cut them off. Roads have just vanished. Where there were motorable roads, they do not exist anymore. It is sorties like these by the Indian Air Force on Mi-17 helicopters that they are being kept supplied. Items like blankets, tents, medicines, food is in short supply, fuel is in short supply.
As we fly in to drop supplies, we find a family sitting huddled on a rooftop. Even as we land, the sun vanishes, rain clouds start to gather. The weather changes from clear skies to menacing in a matter of minutes. The unloading has to be quick. At the helipad, a few anxious villagers are waiting for supplies.
यहाँ सर बहुत बुरी हालत है, मकान मलबे के नीचे चला आ चुके हैं, ना यहाँ राशन है, रोड बंद है, तो लोग बहुत परेशान हैं.
सारे रोड टूटे हुए हैं.
हाँ, सब रोड टूटे हुए हैं. बाकी
it is only through choppers and landing in stamp-size helipads. If you can see what a small helipad this is, surrounded by the hills, how difficult it is to navigate. It is only through helicopters that the IAF is carrying in relief material for the people.
As we head out after dropping about 2 tons of food along with medicines and tents, there are still more people waiting. On the road to Srinagar, army engineers are clearing roads.
Pretty bad landslides. The earth was almost 6 to 7 feet. This NH1 is clear up to Ramsho as on today. Beyond that, the task forces of the army and the BRO in close coordination with the civil administration are working.
The army chief has already tweeted, the Indian army will not move back to the barracks till the last man is brought to safety. Opening main highways is only part of the problem. For many still stranded across far-flung villages, it will be many days before life is back to normal. With Sudhir Ranjan Sen in Jammu, Rohit Rajan for NDTV.